Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1999 ECE paper and the topic is related to digital circuits. Look at the circuit diagram. It is a ripple counter. It is also called as asynchronous counter. 3-bit ripple or asynchronous counter. Okay, this ripple counter works as mod 3 up counter or mod 5 up counter or mod 3 down counter or mod 5 down counter. What can be the right answer for this question? Okay, so first step what you have to check is nothing but whether preset is going to be used or clear is going to be used for these flip-flops. Only one is going to be used. So here the output of AND gate, this is what the AND gate, and output of AND gate is going to be connected to the preset inputs of flip-flop. Preset is going to be asynchronous input. Remember that one. Preset is asynchronous input. Asynchronous input implies nothing but it will affect on the output whenever it's got event. It doesn't wait for the clock edge to come for its for taking effect on the output. So if you are going for the JK flip-flop, JK are going to be called as synchronous inputs because even if you change the J and K values, they don't affect on the output directly. They will wait for the clock edge to occur, and at the time of clock edge, whatever the values of J and K, depending on those values, output will be affected. Okay, so changing J and K values doesn't give direct effect on the output. Clock edge has to come, so their effect is synchronized with the clock pulse. Whereas preset, it doesn't require a clock pulse to get effect on the output. So output will be directly affected by using this preset. So that's why it is called as asynchronous. It is not synchronous with clock. So it is asynchronous input. Okay, and here it is. This preset is active high. It was given that one. This is active high input in this diagram. Generally, preset and clear are going to be having active low inputs, but in this diagram it was specifically given that one preset is active high because there is no bubble indicated over here. Otherwise, at least it has to be given preset bar. Okay, in either way you can specify active low, but here it is not specified in either way, so that it is assumed as active high input for this case. Okay, so active high implies nothing but whenever preset is given 1, by the time it will do the preset operation. Preset operation means preset, that is it sets the flip-flop before actual clock edge is going to be taking place. So it sets the flip-flop, that implies nothing but it is going to set the flip-flop to output to logic 1. So on preset operation, on preset operation, what you are going to get is nothing but on preset operation A, B, C are going to be set to 1 1 1. So this will be treated as initial state. On preset operation, what it is going to do is nothing but that will be going to the control goes to the initial state on preset operation or on clear operation. Okay, so this is initial state. From this point onwards, 1 1 1 is going to be initial state. The next state is going to be, it will be decremented, 1 1 0, next 1 0 1. Like this the counter is going to be moves. So we can say that one, whenever the preset is going to be used to go to the initial state, by that time that counter is going to be treated as down counter. Remember that one. Okay, if the clear input is going to be used to go to the initial state, by that time that is up counter. If clear input is going to be used to go to the to go to the control towards initial state, by that time that is up counter. By that time all flip-flops are going to be cleared, so that will be going into 0 0 0 state. Whereas in case of preset, all flip-flops are set so that 1 1 1, that is the highest state, so that the counter can decrement from that state. Okay, so that it is down counter whenever preset is used and up counter whenever clear is used. And since it is down counter, only two options are there, either it can be mod 3 or mod 5. To know the modulus number at that time, at what combination of flip-flop outputs this preset operation is taking place. So when this preset will become 1, that you have to check. Okay, this preset is going to be, that is output of AND gate is going to be getting 1 for the preset operation when you will get 1 at the output of AND gate. Okay, so what are the connected inputs? First you have to check. the AND gate is connected with A bar. This is A flip flop, so that Q bar is nothing but it is A bar, and second input is nothing but B. Directly it is B flip flop, true value is connected, and this is third input for this AND gate is coming from the complement of C flip flop, so that you can write it as C bar. So output of AND gate can be written as output of, okay, output of AND gate is A bar, B, C bar, and for preset operation it has to be 1. So when it will be 1 is nothing but whenever A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 0. So A, B, C is going to be whenever it tries to go to 0 1 0 state, by that time preset operation takes place, so that it will be going into the initial state of 1 1 1. So 0 1 0 is going to be treated as undesired state. Undesired state. So from this one onwards, the other states will not be in the sequence. So 0 1 0 is the undesired state. So counter will be decrementing from the initial state of 1 1 1 towards 0 1 0. Just before 0 1 0, that is going to be the all desired states. 0 1 0 is nothing but undesired state. The flip flop, whenever it try to enter into this 0 1 0 state, by that time preset operation takes place, that makes the control to go towards initial state of 1 1 1. So by that time 1 1 1 is going to be initial state, okay. Next 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1, and next this is 0 1 0, this is undesired. So these are desired states, these are desired states. So how many number of states you are getting? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 states you are getting, okay. And whenever the control goes into this state, this is undesired, by that time the control will move into the initial state of 1 1 1, okay. So the number of unique states the control is moving is nothing but 5 states, so it is modulus 5, and modulus 5, that too down counter. So the right answer for this question is mod 5 down counter, that is option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Thank you.